Hey, so I just got a call from the hubby that our contractor's truck broke down. We have two dump trucks headed to a job site, and he needs a check delivered to the guys. Now, if any of y'all like me and you have a small business, you understand that the struggle is real, right? There is not going to be a time that something comes up in your business. You have to stop everything you're doing. You have to go take care of this, and who knows when you're going to get back to what you were doing the first time, right? Well, as I'm doing my content and getting ready to post things on my account, I'm fixing to head out the door to go pay a trucker because business life calls. But that's okay because in my business, I can leave and do what I need to do at any point in time, guys. This business in affiliate marketing allows me to leave and go pay a trucker or go pick up somebody because their truck broke down or go get these extra things for flooring or for landscaping because I have a side hustle. And I want that side hustle to become my main source of income so that those other two jobs that are making me do all this running around will be my side hustle. So if you're tired of the hustle and grind and you want to make your primary job more of your side hustle and you want to replace that, go ahead and hit that comment button. Send me a comment that says side hustle and let's change your primary job to your side hustle and get you something that's going to allow you to have more free time and still be able to run your businesses without your businesses running you.